Hello friends, welcome to my exam coaching classes. So today in this video we are going to see the time test again, but this time it is based on clocks. In the previous video we have seen the reasoning part time test. The questions were based on calendar. So I told you in the previous video also, when we have questions from this particular topic like time test, the questions can be asked in two different ways. One, either it is based on calendar, and second type of questions are based on clock. So what are the different type of questions which are asked based on calendar that we have seen in the previous video? So this video we are going with the time test based on clock. So when we talk about this particular topic, we will have questions based on clock. We should know that angle measurement between minute hand, hour hand, everything, every basic idea we will learn first. Then we will go to the questions. Okay. So again, I am requesting you, if you are watching my channel first time, I request you kindly subscribe and support me by subscribing. If you are having any problem solving any questions, or if you want videos on any particular topic, kindly write it in the comment box so that I can put more videos on the topic selected by you. If you want to connect with me, you can WhatsApp or call me in this given numbers, and I'll be very happy to help you. Okay, so kindly subscribe and please don't forget to press the bell button and like, share and comment. Let me go to the question. Yeah, so time test. When we talk about time test, we are talking about time test based on what? We are talking about time test based on clocks. So when I talk about clocks, we can say generally this is a basic concept everybody knows. In a normal clock, we start with 12, then we have 3, then we have 6, then we have 9, between we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 10, 11. This is the basic clock which will have two hands. One is a hour hand, the small one is a hour hand, and we have a minute hand which is the longer one. Now we are not considering the second hand, because when we have questions based on clock, we will be having questions only based on two, that is one is hour hand, that is a small one, and we have minute hand. So this is a basic concept, you know this. Now when we talk about this particular concept, in 1 hour, in 1 hour, the minute hand, this is a minute hand, and this is the hour hand, 1 hour. The minute hand will cover in 1 hour from 12. For example, I am starting from 12. This is a starting point. From 12, in 1 hour, the minute hand will cover the complete one rotation. So complete one rotation means in 1 hour, minute hand will cover, minute hand covers 60 minutes. Very important concept we are learning, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and all, it's a basic things everybody knows. But I'm not talking about this 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. I am taking you to a big concept using which you can solve all problems in shortcut method. So learn this shortcut method. It will be very easy for you to solve questions based on clock. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Everybody knows it. In 1 hour, in 1 hour, the hour hand will move only 5 minutes. So let me tell you this way. Suppose we have a clock like this, and here it is 12 o'clock, and from 12, when it comes to 1 o'clock, from 12 it comes to 1 o'clock, let me draw like this. Now earlier it was at 12 o'clock. Both the needles will be at 12 only. this is our minute hand, and let us take this is our hour hand. So this is 12 o'clock. At 12 o'clock, both the hands are at 12. Now what I am doing, I am making this is moving and coming to 1 o'clock. So here we have 1. So what will happen? Our minute hand will be here in 12 only, and our hour hand will move to 1. This is 1 o'clock. So now in 1 hour, you can see the minute hand starts from here and it completes the full rotation. It completes the full rotation and coming back to 12. That means in 1 hour, the minute hand will cover 60 minutes. But in 1 hour, the hour hand moves from here and goes up to here. The hour hand moves from here and goes up to here. That means it covers only 5 minutes. So, what is the main concept here? That is what I want to tell you. The main concept is hour hand, minute hand covers 55 minutes space over hour hand in 1 hour. That means in 1 hour, the minute hand will overtake the hour hand maximum 55 minutes. Understand this concept very clearly. If you are clear with this concept, then easily we can go to the questions and we can solve all the questions very easily. What I want to tell you, the minute hand covers the complete 60 minute like this. Complete 60 minute. So minute hand completes 60 minute. Whereas hour hand completes only 5 minute. So in 1 hour, the minute hand is 55 minutes away from our hand. So the space between this and up to here, the space between minute hand and hour hand is 55 minutes. पहले दोनों 12 में था, अभी क्या है? अभी मिनट हैंड वापस 12 में आ गया, लेकिन हावर हैंड 1 में है. सो मिनट हैंड हावर हैंड से 55 मिनट्स आगे चला गया. सो अंडरस्टैंड दैट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मिनट हैंड्स overtook our hand by 55 minutes. So what is that 55 minutes gap that you understood? Total 60 minutes. Now you have a very important concept here. To gain 1 minute space, it takes 60 by 55 minute. So this number we have to remember for your competitive examination. Remember this very important, 60 by 55. Why? Because we want this in every problem solving. 60 by 55 minutes आगे है. That is called minute space. Minute space. So this concept is clear. Then we can go to the important points and then we will solve some of the questions. What are the important points? In every 1 hour, in every 1 hour, the hands coincide once. Minute hand and hour hand, they coincide once. Second, hands are straight only once. In this position, hands are 30 minutes apart. Now I will tell you this way. If this is the clock and if the one hand is in 12 and the other hand is in 6, this is 12 and this is 6, then the angle between them will be 180 degree and they are 30 minutes apart. So this is the only one position. The angle, the minutes and hour hand will be straight. So when they are 30 minutes apart. And next important point, in every 5 minutes, you can see from here to here it is 30 degree. From here to 10 it is 60 degree. Again 30 plus 30 60. Up to 15 it is again 30. So 30 plus 30 plus 30 90 degree. So every 5 minutes the minute hand moves 30 degree. So what we can write here is every 5 minutes minute hand moves makes 30 degree. So 5 minute में 30 degree बनाता है. So in 1 minute it will become 6 degree. Very important for minute hand. This is for minute hand. In every 1 minute, the minute hand will make 6 degrees. And in every minute, 1 minute, the hour hand will make how many degrees? Half degrees. This is for hour hand. So you have to remember, initially I told you the minute space is calculated by 60 by 55. This is one of the very important concept. This is concept number 1. 60 by 55, that is the minute space, ms. Second, we have seen in every minute, the minute hand will cover 6 degree. So minute hand will cover 6 degree in 1 minute. And the hour hand will cover half degree in 1 minute. So these all are the important information we have learned till now. Now let us see how to show this. For example, for every clock, the total is 360 degree. So we have total is 360 degree. So from here 12 to 6, it will be 180 degree. So 12 to 3, it will be 90 degree. So this is 90 degree between 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So 1, 2 and 3. This is 90 degree. So if I divide this, this will become 30, this will become 30, this will become 30. Total is 90 degree. Now 12 to 1, this is 5 minute. So that is what we have seen. 5 minute is equal to 30 degree. So 1 minute will be equal to what? 30 divided by 5. You can cancel. It becomes 6 degree. So in 1 minute, the minute hand will move 6 degree. What will happen to hour hand? In hour hand, it moves in 60 minute. In 1 hour means in 1 hour, which is equal to in 60 minute. In 60 minute, hour hand will move only 5 minutes. Hour hand will move only for hour hand. For hour hand, it moves only 30 degree. That is 60 minutes, 30 degree. So 60 minutes, 30 degree means in 1 minute, 30 by 60. So which is equal to half degree. So these are the important information we have to remember before solving any questions. So remember, before going to the question, remember minute space is 60 by 55. Yeah, 60 by 55 ko you can remember it as what? 12 by 11 also. You can cut it with the 5. 5 से कट करो आपको 11 by 5 मिल जाएगा. ये 12 बार, ये 11 बार. So 12 by 5 भी आप लिख सकते हैं. Or the second information what you have to remember is 1 hour, that is 1 minute is equal to 60 degree. 1 minute is equal to 6 degree. and 1 minute for hour hand. 1 minute for hour hand will be equal to half degree. This is for minute hand and this is for hour hand. Now, if you have all this important information, then let us go to the first question. At what time between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock the minute hand will cross each other? Now, remember, if your concept is very clear, shortcut method में इस question को कैसे करना है? You should learn the shortcut method when you go for your competitive examination. Shortcut method में इसको कैसे करना है? Let me explain to you. क्या पूछा है कि at what time between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock? Let us draw a small clock here. So this is 4 o'clock, this is 5, and this is 12. So now we know from 12 to 4, this is 1, 2, and 3. At what time between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock? 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock के बीच में the minute hand will cross the hour hand. At what time? 4 o'clock के बाद 5 o'clock के बीच में minute hand will cross the hour hand at what time? Let me tell you this way. Suppose your minute hand is here. And your hour hand is here. So what is this time? Between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock, minute hand will cross hour hand. What is this time? Between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock, your minute hand will cross the hour hand. Whenever, जब भी आपको ऐसे क्वेश्चन मिलेगा तो कुछ सोचने का जरूरत नहीं है. From here you count how many minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means 20 minutes. 4 o'clock तक आपका हो गया 20 minutes. उस 20 minutes को मल्टीपल करो मिनट स्पेस से. What is minute space? Minute space is 60 by 55. Multiply this by 60 by 55. So क्या मिलेगा? You can cut this with 12. You can cut it with 11. So ये आपको हो जाएगा how much? 12 into 2, 24. 240 divided by 11. So 240 divided by 11 कितना हो जाएगा? 240 divided by 11. So 2 times 22. Then 2. 20 में एक बार 11. Balance 9. So I can write it as 21 9 by 11. I can write it as what? 21 9 by 11. So 21 minute 9 by 11. 21 9 by 11 minute के बाद एक cross होगा. So 21 9 by 11. Is there any option like that? Yes. The first option is the correct answer. 21 9 by 11. तो shortcut method क्या है? ये सीखना है. What is the shortcut method? From here you count how many minutes. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Up to here आपका 20 minute हो गया. This 20 minute को minute space which we have learned 60 by 55 minute space से multiple करो. So 20 multiplied by 60 by 15, we got 21 9 by 11. So 21 9 by 11 is the answer. So this is a shortcut method. Just multiply the total minutes covered multiplied by minute space. Let us go to one more question. At what time are the hands of the clock together between 5 and 6? Now you can do it very easily. Clock में ये पूछा गया है कि between 5 and 6. So आपका 5 इधर 12, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now, you know, to draw all these things, I just tell you minute hand or hour hand between 5 and 6. So मान लो इधर आ गया. Between 5 and 6, what is this time? So now from here you can count 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25. Up to here we have 25 minutes. So now what we have to do is multiply that 25 minutes by minute space, 60 by 55. Again you can cut 12 times, 11 times. Yeah, see that 12 by 11 से multiple करो. Then 25 into 12. You will get how much? 300. 300 divided by 11. So क्या आएगा? 300 divided by 11. How many times? 2 times. 2 11s are 22. Balance 8. 80 में 7 times. 7 11s are 77. Balance 3. So क्या मिला आपको? You got 27 3 by 11 minute. इसको डेसिमल में या पॉइंट में करने का जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट सी द ऑप्शन एंड देन मार्क योर करेक्ट आंसर. सो क्या मिला इधर? 27 3 by 11. सो ऑप्शन में 27 3 by 11 इज अवर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. So accordingly you can mark the correct option. So what I really want to tell you is, remember this number 60 by 55. That is the minute space. Yeah, 60 by 55 को you can mark it as 12 by 11. ये number याद रखो, and whatever the completed minutes, multiply that by 12 by 11. You will get the correct answer. This is a shortcut method. So more and more questions like this you can do from the app, learning app, My Exam Coaching. The link is given in the description. Kindly download My Exam Coaching app. You will get all the sample papers, video classes, PDF notes, everything absolutely free. So download it today and take your preparations to the next level. So before concluding, I request you, if you are new to my channel, I request you please subscribe and like and share, do comment. Okay, we'll meet with a new topic in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.